Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Eka 4 puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Yuu Asaka, a puzzle designer from Japan. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside the frame. The Eka 4 puzzle, as all other puzzles from Yuu Asaka, is made from acrylic. It is a high quality puzzle. It is very well made, no sharp edges, feels very nice in hands. It has a tray and 4 parts. The parts are quite fun in this puzzle since they look like small crocodiles with huge teeth, and you can actually fold them together. Like you can put 2 white parts together and they create like a perfect pair, no extra gaps. And when you put 2 blue parts together, you can kind of create them, like put them in a tight space. But when you put all 4 in the frame, you will find that it is almost impossible to fit them unless you know the correct solution. If you like the Eka 4 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the Eka 4 puzzle. The solution isn't difficult at all, but only when you know it. If you don't know it, you will spend quite some time trying to find it, since you can put 2 parts, then you try to add the 3rd piece. Maybe you will succeed adding a 3rd part inside the frame, but then there is definitely not enough space for the last piece. The actual solution looks following way. It is also beautiful, always beautiful solution from Yuu Asaka. You put 2 white parts like that on a diagonal way, then you add 1 blue piece right here, and then you add another blue piece right here, and as you can see, all 4 parts fit perfectly inside the frame. There are no sticking out parts, there are no one piece on top of another, and that is the correct solution of the Eka 4 puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles from Yuu Asaka, there are such great puzzles as Jigsaw 29, Jigsaw 19, and others, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.